Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, there's no doubt you've heard of the saying, cooking with gas. Well, with summer here, Builders can help you do just that with a wide range of gas braais. Let's go take a look at what they have in store.
When it comes to gas braais, the choice are endless at Builders. As one of the leading stockists of all major gas braai brands like Kodak, Megamaster and Alva, they've got a wide range to choose from at a price point and size that's right for you. If space is an issue and you need a more intimate braai experience for your balcony, want to take a look at the easy to maneuver compact Megamaster tabletop gas braai. Or if you have got the space, Builders has also got larger units that offer up to 5 gas burners, which is all you need for parties and big family gatherings. And the great thing about a gas braai is that you can control the temperature if you want to do a roast. And Builders has all the accessories you need to make you look like the braai master you are, like cleaners, braai-proof pots, covers, braai tong sets, and even aprons.
Well, if you're ready to get cooking with gas when it comes to your braai, Builders has got you covered. And also remember, you can use their online service to get safe and convenient delivery right to your doorstep. Simply visit their website or pop into your local Builders. Get to Builders, get it done.